Hello, I'm going to explain you the fees module in very brief as possible. So fees module, to understand fees module, you have to understand the four terms used in the fees module. So the category, the add access button, and the add particular, and subscription. So these four terms you have to understand well, and I'll explain one by one. Please have the patience to listen and understand it well. And if you have any question, you can always ask. What is category? Basically types of collected fees. There can be some daily collected fees, weekly collected fees, monthly collected fees, quarterly collected fee, yearly collected fee. So here you can name it as a category name. So it is monthly, so I prefer to write monthly. If you know that tuition fee is always collected monthly, so you can also name it tuition fee. We have given you the option and flexibility to write your own, but I will suggest if it is monthly, I insist you type monthly, so it will help you to understand. So this is called the fee category, and if you see there is a red circle, this is called add access. So what is the function of this add access? Add access is something like, it's a monthly fees. So there are a few types of monthly fees. Let it be tuition fee. For tuition fee for class 1A, it's 100 rupees. But for tuition fee for class KG2B, it's 200. How will you add this? This access button helps you to add different value of same particular and different value. So for tuition fee, for KG1A it's 100 rupees, for KG2A it's 200 rupees, 1A class 300 rupees, and class 2A it's 400 rupees. This helps you to assign tuition fee for different class, different value with the help of this add access. So this, it helps to assign different value to different classroom. It also helps you to give discount to a particular student or give it a free if they are BPL and some kind of free education they're receiving. You can also assign and give discount to a group of students as well. So all the possibilities are possible in Smart Pro 2. Second, if you see, there is one more plus, add particular. So what is the function? Add particular is what to understand what is particular. Particular are the tuition fees, computer fee, development fee, Smart Pro fee, examination fee. These are particular. So if you have monthly, you collect tuition fee as well as computer fee and Smart Pro fee. You collect it monthly. So you can add. You just need to click this and you can add one. The next monthly collected fee. So monthly, this is tuition fee is also collected, computer fee is also collected, and you can keep on adding using the add particular, this red circle button. And similarly, with the help of add access, you can assign different value to different classroom student, and if the same, then you don't need to. Now it allow you to add different types of particular and assign them to the student. Now what are the types of subscription? Subscription is basically, it's a duration for which a student is liable to pay. Suppose there are fees called admission fees that is collected yearly one time, and there are fees like examination fee that is collected twice. It's half yearly. There can be quarterly, they can be monthly, they can be custom, means you can create your own. So I'll explain one by one what are the types of subscription and how to set up. So type 1, the yearly one time. So here once you click come to the subscription part, you see like this screen, and if you see this is one time, means you have to collect one time. So you have to set a date difference of 1 year in between, and you choose due date and then click submit. You're done. Type 2, it's a monthly. What is basic monthly? So after one time, if you click repeat and wait for a few seconds, you get this option, and in the drop down you get this monthly, quarterly, weekly and custom. So you get this option. If you click the repeat every, then wait for a few seconds, you'll get this option. Now in this part, if I select monthly, in the drop down I can select the date. So in date is 28 because February has the minimum date of 28, so due date have to be 28. If you make it a due date on 31st, the February month may be skipped. So for the safer side, we have put a maximum limit of 28. And the difference between one day should be 30 days because it's monthly. So 1st December to 31st of December, it should repeat every monthly on 28th. And then you click submit and your monthly subscription is set up. Suppose you have a subscription that is half yearly, you collect something that is half yearly. So you can assign the value similarly, a half yearly, and from the drop down you select half yearly. Then you get two options, the date between from the start date and the end date. It can be 1 year difference, and you get two due dates. Like first one is the from January to June is the due date is the 30th of June, and the second due date is 31st of December. So you can assign two due dates to half yearly payments and click submit and you're done. So in quarterly you get four due dates because it's quarterly. The start date and the end date of the subscription, it's 1 year difference. So you click submit, you're done. Now the next is the weekly subscription, and this is, if you see there is drop down, you can see the date and it will repeat in every week. Custom is nothing but you can, if like suppose if you want to collect it like every 2 months or every 45 days or 2 months, you can set the due dates as many due dates you want. If you click this add custom due date, you get one more box like this, and you can set a due date for as many times as you want in a year. So what is, if you see, there is something divide the fee amount by number of subscriptions. This is a special case. If you check this on this thing, this basically divides the whole amount into installment. So suppose 1200 is a tuition fee for the entire year for a single student, and if you check this button and from the drop down you select half yearly, it will divide the whole amount, that is a 1200 amount, into two installments, 600 per installment for each half year, and will collect 1200 in two installments. Similarly, if you select quarterly, you get 4 due dates. The whole amount will be divided into 4 installments, 300 rupees for each quarter, and it will collect 1200 rupees in 4 installments. And similarly, if you select monthly, it divides the whole installment, the whole amount, that is a 1200 amount, divides into 12 installment of the year. So each month 100 rupees will be collected, will be generated, and the entire 1200 rupees will be collected in 12 installment. So hope this thing was clear, and if you have any question, any doubt on this fee module, please do not hesitate to contact me. We have given you all the possibilities and all the types of payment, receiving, giving, everything is possible in Smart Pro 2. So hope it was useful. Thank you for watching.